Alright, hello everybody. Today's topic is going to be setting up a HostGator account. Your review from 2 days ago, I did a little screen capture on how to set up a GoDaddy account. So by now you should have already registered a domain name. If you haven't registered a domain name, I go ahead and recommend pausing this video, checking the link below, and going and registering a domain name with GoDaddy as your first step, because you'll need that domain name to go ahead and log into your HostGator account. So first thing we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and get some web hosting. So we're going to go and do shared. That's what I do. Click on that button right there. Non-secure items you want to display. Yes. And then you're going to pick exactly what you need. Get Linux web hosting or Windows web hosting. Kind of see the difference. This is coming soon. But we just use Linux. That's what we use here at onemansgoal.com. Go ahead and click yes again. So you have a choice between 3 different plans. You can do the hatchling, the baby, or the swamp. For One Man's Goal, I went ahead and did baby because I want to be able to use more than one domain. If you get the hatchling, you're saving that $3 a month. However, you can only have one domain on it. With the baby plan, I can go ahead and register as many domains as I want onto this HostGator account. So we're going to go ahead and go to order now. And you feel free to read through all this stuff, but for me, I've already read through it. And if you want to take my word for it, you can trust what I'm saying is real. That's all you got to do is click there. And then I will use my existing domain to update my name servers only. Because if you register a new domain, you'll be doing it through HostGator. But since we've already registered our domain, we're going to plug it in here. So the domain I ended up registering for real, not the One Man's Goal, but I registered http://relaxationtipsvideos.com videos. So go ahead and hit next. That'll bring us up to this. So the existing domain is relaxationtipsvideos.com. I'm just going to update the name servers. You've chosen the baby as opposed to the hatchling. That's the middle one. The domain is relaxationtips.com, videos.com. The billing cycle is $9.95 a month, but I have a coupon code for you today. Let's go ahead and type in Jury here. Jury's going to make your first month of hosting 1 cent. We're going to calculate it. We're going to get $9.94 off for the first month. When you do sign up for this, this is going to be a reoccurring $9.95 bill, so just don't be confused about that. Whereas the domain you registered, cost you that $10.19, or if you use a code, you save $1, and that's a one-time fee. This is $9.95 per month, but it's necessary to run a blog. It's just one of the costs, and you can write it off because it is used for your business. So I am a new customer. I'm going to be paying $1. It's going to be a continual billing cycle. We hit continue and move on. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. I'm going to pause the video, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back in. So I went ahead and filled in the first name, last name, company is Mark Galisi, it's a sole proprietorship, my address, my city, my state, my zip code, primary email, cell phone number, and went ahead and just filled out a password, username. I'm going to use a credit card, Mark Galisi, Visa, it's my expiration date, actually it's this. And then I'm going to go ahead and pause it again, and I'm going to fill out my credit card number and my security code, and click verify my order, and then I'll bring you back when we're back, but I don't want to show you my credit card number, so I'm going to go and pause it up again. Alright, and that's going to bring you to this screen, which is going to just go ahead and make sure that all your information is correct. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down, but again it shows my credit card information, but at the bottom you'll go ahead and see process my order. And once you hit that, I'll be back and show you where you're at next. Alright, that brings us to this screen. It's going to update the name servers only. Excuse me. And just, details what you ordered. Make sure you print this off and keep this for your tax receipts. And you got all the information there. So next thing that's going to happen is you're going to get an email in your account. When you get your email, it's going to go ahead and direct you how to log into your server panel. It's going to go ahead and give you 2 name servers. You'll see an NS and then probably an 80 something, or it'll be NS with 3 numbers followed by HostGator.com. Once you get those numbers, you go ahead and click on the bottom one of the 2, and then it'll go ahead and direct you to your cPanel, which we'll hit in the next one. But that's all it takes to set up the HostGator. Everybody's trying to make it sound like this blogging stuff's real hard. The hard part is gaining followers in the crowd. But just getting the stuff set up, it seems kind of hard or technical at first, but it's really not. So just go ahead and do it. And that's going to go ahead and conclude for today, and we'll go ahead and have another video.